In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Buy button in Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to install Shopify's Buy button channel, create a button for a product, customize its look, and get the embed code you'll need. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, open the Apps section. This is where you can find and manage sales channels and integrations that expand what your store can do. Use the search to find the Buy button channel. You're looking for Shopify's official Buy button app in the Shopify App Store. Open it, then select Install. This adds the Buy button sales channel to your admin so you can create embeddable product buttons that work outside your online store theme. Once it's installed, you'll see the Buy button option available in your admin. Click Create a Buy button to start a new one. When prompted, choose Product Buy button. This option creates a button for a single product with an optional product card, image, price, and an add to cart flow. Next, select the product you want to feature. You'll see your product list. Choose the one you want and click. Select to confirm. If your product has variants, make sure the right one is selected in the preview, so what you generate matches your intended offer. Now you're in the editor. Begin by opening Button Style. Here, you can adjust the button text and the overall visual style. Choose a button color that contrasts well with the background where you'll embed it, so it stays accessible and easy to see. If your brand has specific colors, match them here for consistency. Move over to Layout to control how the product card looks around the button. Pick a compact size if you need it to fit into a narrow sidebar or a blog post column. The small option is often perfect for tight spaces. You can also set alignment. Left alignment is a clean, predictable choice that works well in most layouts and keeps text easy to scan. As you tweak styles, keep an eye on the live preview. This helps ensure the button text remains readable and the button shape feels clickable. If something looks off, adjust colors, size, or alignment until it feels on brand and balanced. When you're happy with the preview, click Next. Shopify will generate the embed code for your Buy button. Click Copy Code to place it on your clipboard. This snippet contains everything needed for the button to work with your cart and checkout. Keep it handy, and you're all set to use your new Buy button wherever you need it.